Optimizing a budget doesn't necessarily mean cutting back. It can mean making sure you pay a fair amount for a service, putting money on things that really matter, or taking advantage of all the opportunities and programs to which you might be entitled. The main goal when doing a budget optimization exercise is to ensure that, consistently throughout the year, we spend less money than we earn. It is also an exercise to ensure that our hard-earned money is not wasted due to a lack of information about the best market prices. On the goFinja platform, we help you optimize your budget in different ways. Firstly, you will be able to get context-sensitive help as you fill it out. You will know that help topics are available to you by clicking on a light bulb. For example, in revenues, you can see more details about the Canada Child Benefit and a resource link to it. In addition, in the health category, it is possible to find a light bulb about eye care, which contains a resource link to the See Better to Succeed program. Do not hesitate to click on these bulbs to discover the different resources available to you. Next, the goFinja platform offers a budget optimization tool, which you can access by clicking on Optimization and Budget. This optimizer will identify personalized opportunities based on your socio-demographic profile. This tab offers a combination of national averages and our market data. These national averages are the average amount spent by people with the same socio-demographic profile as you. To this, we have added data collected from our various market research studies. This data should give you a better idea of how much others are paying and whether you should try to renegotiate your contracts. You can see that there is a modifiable field. This is where, after seeing the national averages, you can enter your target budget for this type of expense. This field will influence the field to the right of it, which indicates the annual savings achieving this goal would allow. For some expenses, you can find tips and tricks about how to cut costs, plus online tools to find the best deals. For example, for cell phones, if you click on the red icon, there is a dynamic tool. By indicating how many devices are covered by your bill, the system will be able to tell you, based on the goFinja calibration, where you are in relation to the average. 2 resource links are available here, an online package comparison, and an article with tips and tricks on how to reduce your phone bill. In addition, by clicking on the icon for bank fees, you can access a bank account comparison tool to find the best prices according to your needs. However, these 2 categories are not the only ones to offer tools or resource links, so you can explore and try to find some more. The list of expenses identified as optional is available here to allow the user to revise them in order to better balance their budget or to make some changes in order to free up funds for special projects. For example, by cutting down this family's going out budget in half, it would allow them to save over $1,000 per year. The summary section shows the total savings that can be achieved over a year. For example, this family opted for 2 changes that would free up more than $1,500 per year. If you aren't sure of the amounts indicated in the optimizer and you want to come back to them later, you can click on Save. But when you decide your target amounts, you can prepare your target budget. To do so, simply click this button. From here, you have 2 budgets. By clicking on the drop-down menu, it is possible to navigate in between the current budget and the target budget. This family had $1,700 of buffer before the optimization, and after they have over $3,000. With the different budgets, it is possible to see the cash flow plan before and after the optimizer, once again using the drop-down menu. It is interesting to see the impact of these savings on our cash flow from month to month.